Side Thomas, nowhere to go. Loss of 3. Ade Aruna.
This month's buzz has all been on Tulane players leaving for the NFL draft. Many forget about who's coming back to the team next season. One name that football fans should get used to is Ade Aruna.
What sticks out about Ade is just, how fast and how big he is. I mean, he's 6'5". He's going to run 4.6. I mean, he's physically superior to most defensive linemen. That's what sticks out.
Ade was one of the best defensive players on last year's team, and in order to prepare for this season, he's taking dance classes here at Tulane.
That's right, dance classes. It may seem odd, but players in the past, such as Lynn Swann, used this unconventional approach to hone their football technique.
I'm used to dancing since I was little, and that kind of helped me with my footwork. I'm playing on the football too, so I kind of enjoyed it, even though it's kind of pain in the body a little bit.
Ade originally is from Nigeria and has been playing football for only 4 years, but Coach Kevin Peoples and the Green Wave already see the full potential in the young player.
But Ade can be a first-day draft pick next year in the NFL. I mean, he's got that ability, and I think what we've seen, his improvement on a regular basis, if he continues to improve like that, Ade can be a household name for many years to come in the NFL.